Question 1. The Aryans did not practice the craftsmanship of A. Blacksmithery, B. Pottery, C. Jewelry, D. Carpentry. Answer. C. Jewelry. Question 2. What is the first discourse that the Buddha had delivered at the Deer Park in Sarnath called? A. Mahaparinirvana, B. Mahamastabhisheka, C. Mahabhiniskramana, D. Dharmachakrapravatan. Answer. D. Dharmachakrapravatan. Question 3. Name the ruler whose patronage had been enjoyed by Jainism. A. Kanishka, B. Kharavela, C. Pushyamitra Sunga, D. Samudragupta. Answer. B. Kharavela. Question 4. The famous Indo-Greek king to embrace Buddhism was A. Alexander, B. Strato I, C. Menander, D. Democritus. Answer. C. Menander. Question 5. To whom is the introduction of Buddhism into China traditionally attributed? A. Nagarjuna, B. Samprati, C. Vasubandhu, D. Kashyapa Matanga. Answer. D. Kashyapa Matanga. Question 6. Name the ruler whose reign was a witness to both Vardhaman Mahavira and the Buddha preaching their respective doctrines. A. Udayan, B. Bimbasara, C. Ajatashatru, D. Harshvardhana. Answer. B. Bimbasara. Question 7. Where was Mahavira born? A. Sravasti, B. Vaishali, C. Rajagriha, D. Pataliputra. Answer. B. Vaishali. Question 8. The oldest Jain scriptures are regarded to be the A. 14 Purvas, B. 12 Upangas, C. 12 Angas, D. 14 Uparvas. Answer. C. 12 Angas. Question 9. Who among the following rulers had embraced Jainism? A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Bindusara, C. Ajatashatru, D. Pulakesin. Answer. A. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 10. The great Hindu lawgiver was A. Manu, B. Banabhatta, C. Kapil, D. Kautilya Uttilya. Answer. A. Manu. Question 11. The correct chronological order of the four Buddhist councils held is A. Rajagriha, Kashmir or Jalandhar, Pataliputra, Vaishali, B. Vaishali, Rajagriha, Kashmir or Jalandhar, Pataliputra, C. Rajagriha, Vaishali, Pataliputra, Kashmir or Jalandhar, D. Pataliputra, Rajagriha, Kashmir or Jalandhar, Vaishali. Answer. C. Rajagriha, Vaishali, Pataliputra, Kashmir or Jalandhar. Question 12. The fourth Buddhist council had compiled an encyclopedia of Buddhist philosophy called A. Sutralankara, B. Madhyamika Sutra, C. Jataks, D. Mahavibhasha Sutra. Answer. D. Mahavibhasha Sutra. Question 13. Who had converted Kanishka to Buddhism? A. Parswa, B. Nagarjuna, C. Aswaghosha, D. Vasumitra. Answer. C. Aswaghosha. Question 14. Buddhism was first propagated outside India in A. China, B. Cambodia, C. Thailand, D. Ceylon. Answer. D. Ceylon. Question 15. The language adopted for preaching in Mahayana Buddhism was A. Pali, B. Brahmi, C. Sanskrit, D. Prakrit. Answer. C. Sanskrit. Question 16. The original teachings Mahavira are contained in the A. Jataks, B. Tripitakas, C. Purvas, D. Angas. Answer. C. Purvas. Question 17. The Indus Valley Civic was discovered in the year A. 1917, B. 1921, C. 1927, D. 1932. Answer. B. 1921. Question 18. During the Gupta period the village affairs were managed by the village headman with the assistance of the A. Amatya, B. Mahattara, C. Vishyapati, D. Gopa. Answer. C. Vishyapati. Question 19. An important part of the Eastern court during the Gupta period was A. Kalyan, B. Tamralipti, C. Broj, D. Sopara. Answer B. Tamralipti. Question 20. The Sunga dynasty had made the official religion of their kingdom A. Buddhism, B. The Ajivika sect, C. Jainism, D. Brahmanism. Answer D. Brahmanism.